Hey William, this is Larry Powell of Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you guys. I'm going to give you guys a quick website audit, show you some high search volume keywords that I think could generate a lot of traffic if you guys were ranking for them in the top spots. I'm going to look at what the competition is for those keywords and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So looking at your guys' website, it's a beautiful website. Looks like you guys do some amazing work. Really like the layout you guys have. Couple recommendations I do have for you is the amount of content you have on here. So Google recently did a study where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches, looking at all the top ranked ones. And what they found from this is at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is key for these home pages. And with that content, make sure that you're including some of these keywords that I'm going to go over with you. Just so that Google knows that when people are searching for these key terms, you guys, those are services that you guys are offering and trying to rank for, so you guys will pull up in those search results. So that would be my first recommendation, is just the content. You guys do have a link to complete our contact form. Actually having a contact form on this homepage will really help with your conversions once people do get to your website, just because people are looking for whatever is the easiest when they're trying to get a hold of contractors. I hate to say it, but having a really nice website is awesome, but people are looking for the path of least resistance, and the easier you can make it for people to get a hold of you guys, the more likely they are to not just click on your website and look at it, but also follow through and put that contact information to get a hold of you guys. So those are my recommendations for your site, but overall really like the site you guys have here. So looking at keywords, kitchen remodeling Houston is currently getting 1,200 searches per month, and bathroom remodeling Houston is also getting 1,200 searches per month. So there's definitely a lot of search volume out there that you guys could take advantage of. Being in the top spot for both those, for each one, that 1,200 searches, being in the top spot for one of those, you're looking at about 400 searches per month going to your website. About 33% of that search volume goes to the top ranked website. So if you were in the top spot for both of those, you could, ballpark be getting about 800 searches per month going to your guys' website just for those two key terms. Looking at your guys' website, we'll kind of dive into that a little bit later, and I'll show you kind of the key terms you're ranking for. But currently I actually couldn't find you guys ranking at all for bathroom remodeling Houston. So definitely there's some opportunity for you guys to get that included in your content and get moving up in the rankings into these top spots. Looking at Google search, there's a couple different things I'm looking for here. Getting your business in this Google My Business or 3-pack is very valuable territory. There's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this. One of them is called citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. So a good example of a citation source would be like Yellow Book or Yelp. So more citations you have, the more likely you are to be in this 3-pack. Looking at citations you guys currently have, you guys are at 25. Bathroom remodeling Houston is at 26. And I know what you're thinking, okay, well if we have one less than them, why are we not in that 3-pack? Another big part of that is actually the description you have on your GMB. So looking at your guys' GMB or Google My Business page, you currently don't have any description in here, so you're not telling Google what search terms you're trying to rank for. So getting that description in there, I recommend right around 500 words or so, and including these high search volume keywords. When people are searching for those, Google will know to pull you guys up in those searches as well. So doing that would definitely be one of the factors in getting you guys into that 3-pack. The last one is your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically. Currently, again, you guys aren't ranking for either one of those key terms at all. I will show you the keywords that I do see you guys ranking for here in just a second. So going back over to Ahrefs, this is a cool tool because it allows me to see kind of the back end of your site as far as backlinks and referring domains. The best way to describe what a backlink is, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have the most popular kid in school, or site A is linking himself to a lesser popular kid or the least popular kid in the school, or site B. But by linking himself, what it does is it brings that popularity up of site B, and in turn makes it look more popular to Google, which in turn also helps you move up in the rankings. So currently you guys have 167 backlinks with 25 referring domains. And with those referring domains, what you really want is that they're do follow. And that do follow means that you're getting some of that popularity coming back to your guys' website. So looking at keywords you guys are ranking for right now, I have these set up right now so that it's the highest volume ones. So you can see those 1200s, they're not in here at all. You guys are ranking for some great keywords, but you're definitely missing out on a lot of opportunity there by not being ranked in that top spot for bathroom remodeling Houston and kitchen remodeling Houston. So the top ranked for bathroom remodeling Houston is Gulf Remodeling. Looking at Gulf Remodeling and what they have going on, content wise they're very comparable to where you guys are at. So again, it's nothing too crazy. I definitely think if you guys were to increase the amount of content on there, you'd see a big improvement in your rankings. Looking at the back end of their site, they currently have 260 backlinks from 67 referring domains, with 49 of those being do follow. So if you guys are really focused on increasing the amount of do follow domains and backlinks you guys haven't had pointed towards your website, I think you'd see a big increase in your rankings and a lot more traffic coming to your guys' website. You know, that 800 searches per month that could be coming to your guys' site, that's a lot of traffic, and I was excited to get this information out to you guys. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more.